not giving what it's supposed to be given. Let's get started. So I really feel like this is gonna be a fail. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Yeah. So I think I want to do 7 braids. How do I explain this? I know how to braid, but I'm not a braider. Does that make sense? Like, I could braid, but I'm just like not no braider. I think I'm just gonna go in the bathroom and part my hair and come back and start the braiding, because clearly that's what we all here for, right? Okay, so now I have my hair parted. I don't know, don't beat me up about the parts. I like think they straight, but I'm not like pretty positive. Now, I did watch a couple of YouTube videos because I just didn't understand how people were actually stitching, but they had on nails. I don't have on any acrylics right now, so I'm gonna be picking up my comb and kind of like parting as I go if need be. So without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. That's a fail. That ain't no stitch. We gonna try this again. All right, so let's try the other method I seen, where sis went in and just pre-parted. She pre-parted every single one. Y'all, it's not stitching. It's not giving what it's supposed to be given. All right, maybe if it'll just naturally come. You know what I'm saying? You know how you just start something and it just naturally come? Maybe that'll happen for me. It's giving disaster already. Okay, so I went and did this side of my head, and I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but it's kind of stitched, but it's not executed. Like, you know, like you see them, don't play. You kind of see the stitch, but you kind of don't see the stitch. You get what I'm saying? But I'm gonna turn around, and this is the back. Of course, I haven't seen the back because I've been sitting here the whole time. But I'm just gonna keep going, and I'm gonna keep braiding. Ooh, child, the back of that neck. When you grip the back of that neck. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look that I decided to film 3 days later. And clearly they're not stitched braids, but I did the best that I can. So let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.